मैं ये समझता हूँ कि जब वैक्सीन उपलब्ध होगी तो देश में जिन लोगों को सबसे पहले वैक्सीन की ज़रूरत है, वो हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स हो सकते हैं, वो बुज़ुर्ग हो सकते हैं, वो ऐसे लोग हो सकते हैं जिनकी जो इम्यूनिटी कम है, बहुत सारी दूसरी बीमारियों से ग्रसित है, या जिनको हम कह सकते हैं वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स, तो सबसे पहले वैक्सीन उनको लगनी चाहिए। There are a couple of questions on vaccine status and availability. You all have asked a lot of questions on actual status of vaccine production and its availability. Mamta Nagpal ji has asked, the most important question today is, when will the COVID-19 vaccine be ready for use and how soon will the government ensure availability for all? The government agencies along with the vaccine manufacturers are working tirelessly on developing vaccines following highest standards of science and ethics. Work has already been started on prioritization of vulnerable groups for vaccination. Besides issues like vaccine security, cost, equity, cold chain requirements, production timelines, etc., are also being discussed intensely. Are we self-reliant as far as COVID testing kits are concerned, or are we still dependent on China? Enough indigenous validated diagnostic commodities are now available which have made India self-reliant in terms of COVID-19 testing potential. The domestic supply has thereby improved, and we have also proactively taken other measures to reduce the dependence on imports. I am happy there is something about the Science and Technology Ministry also. To achieve an Atmanirbhar Bharat and to achieve a $5 trillion economy, we need to give a push to science and technology as well as to innovation. What exactly is being done about this? I agree with you that there is a big push that is required to be given to science, technology and innovation so that we become self-reliant as a nation. Dear Shilpa ji, you will be happy to know that we are currently formulating an evidence-driven, inclusive science, technology and innovation policy STIP 2020 for India.